Hi, this is Ram. I'm going to talk to you about how to register a field employee and get him started with Spoors. It's very simple process. All you have to do is, as an admin or the root user, sign in to Effort by typing the email ID and the password you would have received in the email. Let me get myself logged in. I'm going to type in my email and enter my password and log in. Once I log into the web, you're gonna go to the main screen of Spoors. All you have to do is go to Configure, click on the Employees, and do an Add New Employee. Now, Add New Employee, there are only 3 fields that are mandatory for you to enter. Now, this will help you to register your employee with Spoors and get him started with using Effort. It's very simple. Let me enter my employee name, who is Rahul. His first name is Rahul and his last name is Rahul Reddy. And I'm going to enter his mobile number, 9197048625. Sorry, I missed a couple of numbers. 9704. So once you enter the number, you have a lot of configuration information here. Don't worry about it right now. Let's get the employee started with using Effort, and then eventually we will go in details about how to use all the parameters that are available for managing your employee on the field. Let me do a save, and the moment I do a save, it would actually send an email to the employee. Oops, sorry, I actually gave the employee phone number wrong. It's very critical that you get the phone number right. It has to be the 10-digit number that your employee would generally use. So it's going to be 970486245, right? So 862456 is the number. So let me enter this number and again save it so that the correct person gets the SMS from Spoors. Now let's go to the mobile interface and click on the mobile interface here. So let me start my mobile interface. That's going to project how my mobile is going to look like, to see what's going to happen with Spoors. So this is the mobile interface, and I'm going to click on the SMS that I've received. Now I'm going to open the SMS that I've got, click on the link that I have, open the URL. Now this URL is going to take you to the download page of Effort, which would have 2 links. One to do a direct download, or the other one is to help you to download from Google Play. Now let me download it from Google Play. You can either click the link here, or you could go directly to the Google Play icon that's available in your phone. I'm going to open Google Play and search for Spoors-EFFORT. Now in Spoors-EFFORT you would actually find multiple builds that are given by Spoors. Now the employee has to use Effort Express. This is the latest and the lightweight release that we have done, which will really enhance the experience of the field user. Let me click on the install. And I'm going to accept all the information that's going to be asked by the App Store. And then the downloading will take place, and once the download is over, the app automatically gets installed, and the user is ready to use Effort. There is a small step before the user gets registered to Spoors and starts using it completely. Now that the app is installed, let me open the app. the moment you open the app, your field user has to do an allow, because that will help us track him whichever location he is at, and that will also help us to make sure he also receives all the updates and stuff like that. Now there are two ways of registration, which I've already explained in the initial presentation that we did through getting started with effort. You can either do a send SMS, or if the field user is not unable to do it, ask him not to send it, and go to the home screen, click on the settings, and have him give you his effort ID, which is also his IMEI number here. Now I already have Rahul's IMEI number. Let me go back to the panel that I have, web panel, and edit Rahul's account. All I'm gonna go do is quickly enter the IMEI number that I already have received from Rahul. It says 359580006352. Make sure you double check this number, because this is a very critical number, and without this being correct, you will not be able to sync effectively. Now if you have a dual SIM number, make sure you enter the SIM number which is actually gonna transmit the data packets back to the server. So it has to be critical to pick the right effort ID. Now you can always go back to the device and verify if both of them are same. So let's look at that. 3595480048006352. That's correct. So all I have to do is do a save. Now once you do the save, just ask your employee to go back to his home screen, and there is a sync button to your top right corner, and press sync, and the sync takes place. You can say if the person is successfully registered when the sync is successful, and you would see the last sync time of the employee device is been updated to the current date and time, and that's it. Now your employee is registered to use effort. That simple it is to add new employees. Now you could repeat the same process for any number of employees you would have. The next step that I'm going to talk about is about creating a manager employee. Now if you have a manager employee, let's say if I want Rahul to be a manager employee, all I'm going to do is click on this icon as saying he's a manager. Now once you do that, Rahul will be able to add a new field employee as we did right now, or you can add an employee and make him report to Rahul. Just change the reporting manager here when you create the employee, and that's it. That simple it is to create an org structure and organization chart within the company. Thank you for listening.